to a new vlog. I'm Sha'Naya O'Shea if you are new. It is currently Monday. I have a busy week ahead, so I'm about to plan for next month because I really want to do the 12 days with me. I feel like I can do it if I start planning now. So I'm gonna start filming videos this week. I have to pre-record. If I don't pre-record, then it just won't happen. It just won't get done. And then I also have to order some inventory because I'm about to be out of oil and I do have some orders to fulfill. I have to do 12 videos. I really want to do a what I eat in a day video. Like, I'm gonna do some different content. I'm pretty sure, well, I don't want to speak that negativity. I just hope people watch. Like, it's so hard being a YouTuber. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a what I eat in a day, and I most likely will film that this week because that's a easy video. And I'm gonna try to make sure that these videos are like all kind of short, 9, 10, 11 minutes. I really like that because I noticed that my watch time is not really long, so that means that people are watching for like about 5-6 minutes and then they're clicking off the video. So I'm like, I might as well make them shorter because obviously my subscribers don't like long videos. All right, so my email is ready. We're 11 days away from our biggest sale. Don't miss out on the best deals of the year. There will be massive discounts across the entire site. I highly suggest you start getting your carts ready now because we will be selling out. So all inventory has been ordered. I just got a confirmation from my vendor that my tubes have shipped, so they should be here. If not by the end of this week, then definitely next week. And these are drying. I have some more in the sink soaking right now. So yeah, I'm working. I'm getting stuff done. I'm very happy. I also did some more stuff on Canva, getting some more posts ready. So I'm going to be posting about those really soon. I'm very excited. I'm just hoping and praying that everything goes great this Black Friday. I'm about to pack up 3 orders. I have a lip scrub order and 2 sample orders, and I'm gonna drop those off today. Those are the only ones that I can ship off because I'm waiting on inventory to arrive. Back in the house, orders have been dropped off, and I went to Michael's just to pick up some popsicle sticks. I got 2 packs of those. Now I'm about to pay a few bills, and then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and finish filming this video that I'm working on so I can get something up tonight, hopefully. We have a package at the door. I was about to say, where is it at? Oh, it's cold outside. All right. Let's do a quick inventory unboxing. So let's go ahead and open these 2 boxes up so I can go ahead and start finishing these orders. Okay, so I got some tape. Y'all already know. This is the tape that I always use. I love this tape. And then I got a 3-pack of oils. Much needed. I get my clear top squeeze tubes from Amazon. They're very cheap up there. I get my silver top ones from off of Alibaba.com. But clear top is always from Amazon. I'm gonna have a big deal on my squeeze tube also for Black Friday. So I got 200. And then I got some more pipettes. And this is 200, 3 packs of oils. So I have 2 flavoring oils that'll come tomorrow, so I can't finish my lip scrub orders until those arrive. I'm about to go ahead and finish filming this other video. I will check in with y'all later. The next day, and we got some packages, just 2. I look crazy right now. Hopefully nobody's out here. I'm just waiting on one more package to come in. Uline is the place, okay? They're super fast. Today is Wednesday, and I ordered these Monday, I think. If I would have ordered them before 6 p.m., they would have shipped on Monday, but I ordered them late that night, so they shipped on Tuesday, and they arrived today. They're out of the 8-ounce jars that I usually purchase, so I'm about to see how these look. I hope they still look good enough for me to like create content with. And of course, the girl gotta make a mess. So I got 36, I think I only bought 36 of these 8-ounce jars. And I got 192 of the 2-ounce jars. Let's see how these look. Okay, so they're ugly. So I wanted to make sure I still had 8-ounce jars for Black Friday. I'm gonna be having a great sale on my jars for Black Friday. So the ones that I usually get, this is a clear jar. They were out of all of the clear jars, so I had to get the translucent. I'm not feeling it. It's real ugly, but it's gonna have to do. Sometimes, you know, you have to make a little change so that you can still get what you want. So I still want to make some money on Black Friday. Instead of having these sold out, I'm just going to use these for the time being. And whenever they restock the clear 8-ounce jars, then I'll get those. Real ugly, but all it's doing, honestly, is just holding gloss. So it really doesn't matter, but I like the clear better. The Amazon packages. And this just has my flavoring oil. So this is lemonade, and I need this right now so I can go ahead and finish my orders. And then got cotton candy. So now all I need to do is order chocolate flavoring and strawberry, and then I'll be good on my flavors. So yeah, we're basically ready for Black Friday, I think.
If you are an existing merchant and you require support, press 1. If you are, press 1. If you are a new merchant, thank you. So you are an existing merchant. Now, tell me, are you calling about the Shopify upgrade? If so, please press 1 now. If you are calling about Afterpay Card, the new way to pay in store, press 2. For any other call reason, please press 3 or continue to hold.
So I'm about to go ahead and pack these orders up really quickly so I can go ahead and drop these off. So I have 3 wholesale orders. This is 30 lip scrubs, 5 8-ounce jars, and then a 20 lip scrub wholesale order. And I just want to say thank you, Lataya, I hope I'm saying it right, for the sweet comment. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support. So yeah, I just have to pack up these 3 orders and then I'm outside, okay? So I dropped off the orders and I just left out a tropical smoothie. So I'm trying a new smoothie today and I hope I like it, because my go-to is acai berry boost. That's the first smoothie I tried and I've gotten that every time I went there. So I was like, they got some other smoothies, why not switch it up? And I got my usual chicken bacon ranch. It's not bad. Like, it's not nasty, but I don't know. I feel like I need that fruity taste. So I don't even know why I got this one. This is strawberry, bananas, and chocolate. Like, it's good, but I don't know. I just need that fruity taste. I'm about to park somewhere else, eat my food, and then I'm gonna do my side hustle for a couple hours, and then I'm gonna go back home. So I'll check in with y'all later. I'm probably gonna end this vlog real soon. Okay, so I'm coming up here to end the vlog. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Quick little vlog, me planning, prepping, just getting ready for Black Friday. And what is that on my screen? Doing some other business stuff. But yeah, so I have everything ready. I sent out my email yesterday. This is my second email. I'm gonna send out one probably Thursday nights. I'm praying for a great turnout, you know. So we got 30% off on 8-ounce jars, 25 off of lip scrub wholesale, 20 off of retail products, lip scrubs, and the retail glosses, and my signature wand tube. We have a 35% off of my squeeze tubes and the remainder wand tubes I have. My wand tubes are still not here yet. They're in Chicago right now, so I don't know when they're gonna arrive, but they may not be here in time for Black Friday, so they won't be a part of the sale for real. I have 40 left in my black wand tube and 40 left in my white wand tube, so those will be 35% off. Hopefully somebody buys those so we can get out of here. But at 1 p.m. Eastern time on the 26th, I will be having 50% off of squeeze tube wholesale. So clear top and silver top squeeze tube will be 50% off for 1 hour only. Then it'll go back to 35% off for that day. But yeah, those are the deals. I'm really excited. I'm hoping that people shop. But yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. The next video will be on December 1st. I still have a lot of filming to do, so hopefully, you know, I can do this 12 days with me. I only have 2 videos done so far, but I'm gonna film the 3rd and 4th this week. But the next video will be on December 1st for sure. So yeah, I will see y'all then.